Welcome to Envisioned Broadcasting, the station designed to encourage, equip, and empower you for growth and success. Presents Women Emerge with Melissa Lambert, a show that shines a light on spiritual growth, health, purpose, and financial education. It's time to emerge and begin to live out your dreams, walk into your destiny, while making a difference in the lives of many.
Welcome to Women Emerge with Melissa Lambert. I am your host, and I am just so excited to come to you another Thursday. Happy Thursday, everybody. I am just loving the fact that we can come together every Thursday and just tune in and to learn and grow. As you all know, this show is being sponsored by Women Emerge Network, a network created for women, men, and children to help bring families' dreams, their destinies, and their businesses together. The show will introduce you to leaders, experts, and motivators who share their journeys and their stories through personal and professional growth, knowledgeable tips, and lesson learned that will empower you to grow. It's time, y'all. It is time to grow your mind, your spirit, your brand, your business, and your finance. As you all know, the four pillars of Women Emerge Network, Lambert Publishing House, and Lambert Elite Consulting is 4 Ps. The 4 Ps starts with word first, passion, which leads to purpose. From purpose leads to power, and from power leads to profit. And that's what we're going to do always. We're going to push to our passion, move into our purpose, gear up for power, and we're going to move right into profit. Today is going to be a special show, and the reason why I wanted to bring this topic back up, because I'm still fired up. I am still fired up about the fact that I passed my life insurance license. I am excited about that because it's been a while, y'all. I've been doing my best, my very best to pass that test for such a long time. And finally, finally I passed, and I definitely decided to go with a company that I am so proud to call my home, Core Financial Partners. That is where I will put my license, and I will be doing that under my brand, which is Your Legacy Financial, because we need to leave legacy. But I'm so thankful for the company that I'm going through, Core Financial Partners. And today I want to really kind of dive into the subject, the power of having life insurance, because you don't know you have power until you have it. That part. You don't know you have power until you have it. So what is the power of having life insurance, right? Life insurance is really vital for your finance. It's a vital financial tool, that offers significant benefits and protection for individuals and their families. When you think about just the word insurance alone, right? We get insurance on everything. Even like you go to the store, you go to Walmart, or let's say Best Buy, and you go pick up a computer, right? A laptop, and they ask you right there, do you want insurance, a 2-year protection, right? That's insurance. You buy furniture, they even still put the protection on the furniture, right? So you find that insurance is something that is needed, is to protect. So with this right here, it's life insurance, right? So I'm going to give you some key reason why having life insurance is powerful and very essential to you and your family. The first thing I'm going to now share is financial security for your dependent. You may not have children, but you may have children. And I'm going to speak on the fact that, many of us have children in our lives, right? Our dependents. So life insurance provides a safety net for your dependent or your family members, ensuring they are financially secure if you pass away unexpectedly. That is the key. Life is for life in, right? But death is something that will happen. It can be expected or unexpectedly, right? So when you do have that life insurance in place, just in case the unexpected happen, guess what? Your family's secure, right? So financial security for your family or your dependents, right? That's what that life insurance does for you. This financial support can cover living expenses. It can cover your educate if you have children. My daughter's 12. It will cover her education costs. It will cover essential needs. It can even help the family maintain their standard of living during the challenging time of your loss. So the first reason why I feel that you need this power of life insurance is first financial security for your family, right? The second thing is debt repayment. Outstanding debts such as mortgage, car loans, and credit card balance do not disappear when it comes to death. It doesn't. It's going to pass on to the next of kin, right? But with life insurance, that can cover that. Having life insurance can cover these debts, preventing your loved ones from having to feel that burden with financial obligation. They may, because you've set this up, they don't have to struggle or manage to maintain the cost of living because the fact that you put this in place before passing. The third thing that, I truly believe are the key reason why you should have life insurance is income replacement. Remember, while you were here, you were working, right? So why would you not want to protect the loss of income, right? For many families, the loss of a primary breadwinner, I'm the breadwinner for Chelsea, right? So if I don't protect my bread, who will? Life insurance does. Life insurance replace lost income, allowing your family to continue meeting financial commitment and avoid any traumatic or, life changes. They don't have to downsize. They don't have to move in with this person. Why? Life insurance replace that loss of income. The fourth thing is, we have to think about, for those who are business owners, your business. If you own a business, life insurance can provide critical funds to ensure that you stay afloat, you stay open, right? This can cover your business debts, protecting against loss of revenue, and even provide capital for the surviving partners or family member to keep the business running and afloat. We don't think about that as business owners, right? How do we protect our business? We build our business, but is your business protected? Do you have a survival partnership insurance just in case one partner passed? Guess what? You can cover the expense of that partner because you put a life insurance on the business, or not on the business, but with the partners that's in the business, right? So the fifth thing is estate planning and taxes. Life insurance can be an effective estate planning tool. It provides liquidity to cover your estate taxes, ensuring that your heirs, right, receive their inheritance without the need to sell assets or any properties in that sort, right? So we got to remember that you got to protect what you have built. How do you protect what you've built? Life insurance. How do you protect your family? Life insurance. How do you protect your business? Life insurance. How do you protect your income? Life insurance. How do you protect from having your family accrue debt? Life insurance. How do you protect your family financial security? Life insurance. Are you getting the picture here? So today we're talking about my favorite subject, and you're going to hear me talk about it more often nowadays because I am pushing together a campaign to really share with Central Florida. I'm licensed here in Florida, but doesn't mean that I can't do life insurance in other states. I just have to get my license in those states. But for right now, I'm myself and I have two other team leaders that are with me, and these we're three, the three dynamite ladies, right? We are on a mission. We're the three October girls. We're on a mission to really help 1,000 families here in Central Florida. 1,000 family is Project 1,000 Florida, to help to protect 1,000 families, to help them understand the power behind life insurance, right? So the six, I've given you so far five key reasons why having insurance is powerful and essential. So again, financial security for your dependent. 2, debt repayment. 3, income replacement. 4, it protects your business. 5, estate planning and taxes. Right? So those are the 5 reasons why I do feel that having life insurance is powerful and essential. So I'm going to dive into now the importance of life insurance, because you just heard me talk about 5 reasons, right? The 5 reasons why having. So we have the having, and now we're going to talk about why. Why is life insurance important? 1, peace of mind. Just imagine you're giving your family peace of mind. Breathe, right? Knowing that your loved ones will be taken care of financially can provide just such a peace of mind. Just saying the word peace of mind gives me peace. Life insurance offers reassurance that your family future is secure. Even if you're no longer here, guess what? You can know that I protected my family and they're in good hands. I have peace of mind knowing that when God takes me home, they're covered. That's peace of mind. The second reason why I believe life insurance is truly important is long-term financial planning. Life insurance is a process of you having long-term financial planning. It complements when it comes to your financial investments, your savings. It provides comprehensive strategy for managing life. During the process of you're here, you're managing what life looks like, right? While you're here, you're working. While you're here, you're saving. While you're here, you're investing. But what happened when you're gone? Are you thinking long term? Not long term for retirement, but long term when you're gone, because death will knock at everybody's door. I'm going to say that again. Death will knock at everybody's door. I'm not saying it's going to knock at your door today, but if it knocks at your door today, are you protected? Is your family protected? Is the long-term financial planning in place for the long haul, for the long term for your family, you and your family? And the third reason why I feel that life insurance is important is, guess what? It is a support system. It's a support, I should say. It is a support during critical illness. So again, as death is something that will happen, you never know when you will be critically ill. Many life insurance policies comes with a rider or an option for critical illness coverage. This means you can receive a lump sum payment if you're diagnosed with a serious illness, helping to cover your medical expenses and other related costs. Just imagine a person diagnosed with cancer out of the blue and have to go through chemotherapy but have no money. If they had a life insurance policy and added that rider to that policy, that critical illness rider, guess what? The insurance company will give you a lump sum for life to take care of this, what's going on in your life now. Okay? So that's amazing. Where else can you get that? We have the ability as corepreneurs, we have the ability to set you up for life. That's the goal as a corepreneur. Our goal is to tell you the truth about money. You hear the CEO every second Thursday, Mr. Tony Chambly. He comes on this air and he talks to us about the truth about money, and also teaches us the truth about life insurance. Because a lot of people don't know you can use whole life policy into a format we call infinite banking concept or become your own banker to live that part. So, again, we want to be sure that we have all that we need to be able to understand why life insurance is truly important. So, those are the three reasons I gave you. I gave you three: peace of mind, long term financial planning, and the third one is support during critical illness. All right. So, now that you heard, I share with you five reasons why having life insurance is powerful and essential. One, financial security for dependents. Two, debt repayment. Three, income replacement. Four, it helps with your business if you're a business owner. Five, or protects your business, I should say. Five, is estate planning and taxes. Then I now talk more into detail about the importance of life insurance. And there's only three reasons I gave you. One, peace of mind. Two, long-term financial planning. Three, support during critical illness. So now that you heard that, what's next? The consequences of not having it. Okay, so that's the reason why you need it. Now let's listen to the consequences of not having life insurance. So, one, financial strain on the family. Who would want that for their family? Do you want your family to feel the burden, the financial burden after your death? Without life insurance, your family may face significant financial strain, financial struggle, because you did not set them up. They might struggle to pay the bills. They may cover, they're covered. Their daily living expenses would not be covered as it was before. Especially if you're the breadwinner for this family, they may not be able to afford the future costs of education if there's young children involved. You know, and we're taking away something that could have been easily solved with a premium every single month. This is the only place, the only system that you can pay something small and get something big, y'all. Listen, pay a small premium. I say $150. Pay a small $150 premium for $500,000. You put it on today. June the 20th. On July 30th, you pass. $500,000 will go to your family, even though you paid one premium. Where else can you get rich? Paying something as small as $150 to get you $500,000. You should be stacking with life insurance. Why? That's what the wealthy do. How do they create wealth and continue to be wealthy? Insurance. It's passed on wealth. That's legacy, right? So that's the first consequence of not having insurance. Financial strain on the family. Second, debt burden. You are leaving your family in debt. That part. You're leaving your family in debt. Your loved ones might be left handling outstanding debts, which can be very overwhelming for every and anybody. And just imagine that passing on, and you have a mortgage and you still owe $250,000 on a call it a $400,000 house, and you were the breadwinner. What happened? Now you put a strain on that family member, your significant other, because you didn't plan it out. So that's one of the consequences. The third consequence, especially for business owners, business risk. For business owners, the absence of life insurance can jeopardize the survival of a business, especially the key person of that company. You can actually, if they pass on and they are the main person that brings in 70 or 80% of the business, if they pass on and you don't have some form of insurance in place, guess what? Their money die with their business money dies with them, and your door of your business is shut down because of that. That's one of the consequences. And I'm going to say the last one I feel is missed opportunity for tax benefits. That's a big one, y'all. How does the rich hide money through insurance? How do the rich hide their money through life insurance? It's a tax write-off. Life insurance policy often come with a tax benefit. The death benefit is typically tax-free for beneficiary, and certain policies offer tax-deferred cash value growth. Not having life insurance means missing out on these potential tax advantages. Like, seriously, call me now. Email me now because you're missing out. You're missing out on something great, which is having that benefit, especially the opportunity for tax benefits. And I just wanted to really wrap this up because I didn't want to stay long with you because I truly believe that we have such great opportunity in life. And what is that opportunity? That opportunity is for us to really gauge all that we need to move our business forward, move our family forward, move our life forward. And the greatest thing that we can do for our family is protect them. Protect them when when you're alive, and also protect them when you're dead. I'm going to say that again. Protect them when you are alive, but also protect them when you're dead. We have to do better. And I'm so thankful that I've partnered up with Core Financial Partners because Core Financial Partners truly exist for each and every one of us. And I'm glad because education is what we need. The people perish because of the lack. You hear me? I said it, the lack of knowledge. And when I think about just Core Financial Partner, this ignited the fact that this process started for them really and truly when they launched it around July 2013, and they created this mission. Their goal was this is going to be a crusade. Their mission. I love what they stand for, to really guide people from survival to security, from security to success, and from success to significant. That is their Core Financial Partners mission. Security. Start survival. Many of us are in survival mode right now. We're just one paycheck away from being broke, one paycheck away from being homeless, one paycheck away. Survival. To security. Security means we're about 3 to 6 months of your income put away. Now you're moving from survival to security. Now, when you think about success, that's 6 to 12 months of your saving to significance. Now you have money saved. Now you can turn some money and flip it and invest, right? So that's what I love about Core and how we put things in place to make things work for our good. And I want you to do that. I want you to be able to connect back with us. Like, I really, truly believe that there's so much greatness that can happen when you are protected, and especially with life insurance. Life insurance is a powerful tool that provides financial security, peace of mind, and a solid foundation for future planning. So by you ensuring you have that adequate amount, again, also sitting with a corepreneur, sitting with myself, sitting with, when you sit with me, you sit with Mr. Chambly. He is my trainer. He's my CEO. He's my partner in this. Sitting with us for us to kind of go over what that looks like. I'd rather you have a little policy whatever you can afford, then have no policy at all. So don't say I can't afford. You cannot afford to not afford it because you're putting your family in jeopardy. That part. All right. So I really didn't want to be with you long. I really wanted to drop this nugget. I am still learning and I'm still growing. This is my passion. My passion has always been people, but my passion has always been educating so we can be able to make the wisest decision that we can make in life because we know better. Because when you know better, you can do better. That's what I believe. So as you listen in and you are saying, Melissa, how do I get in contact with you? How do I reach out? How do I get a consultation? And our consultation is free, y'all. Listen, our consultation is free. So you're going to go to put on my discovery, go into my discovery calendar, go to Coach Melissa. That's Coach, then my name, MELLISA.com, CoachMelissa.com. Let me be your financial coach. Let me guide you through what you don't have or what you do have, making sure you have enough to cover. And don't even think about just the $50,000 your job give you. That covers just your income, your 1 year salary. That doesn't cover a lifetime, right? So we want to be able to teach you how to do it, how to get better, how to be protected, how to feel safe, how to be secure, how to get from survival, right? How to get from survival, how to move to security, how to move through success, how to move to significance. That's what we want to do. We want to fulfill that, and we want to be able to allow this mission to go across the globe, across the United States, all 50 states. But I'm going to start here in Central Florida. I want to start wherever you are too. Wherever you are, I'm all for it. But I want people here in Florida to see and know who I am and know that I am your next door neighbor. I am your agent. I am that person that will help you to move from survival to security to success to significant. Many of you may be in, success right now or significant, but guess what? You still need to know how to protect your money. You still need to know how to use your money for life and not only just for death. So wherever you are, survival, security, success is significant. We can help. So again, you are listening and tuned into Melissa, Women Emerge with Melissa Lambert. And again, this show is being sponsored by Women Emerge Network, a network created for men, women, and children to help bring families' dreams, their destinies, and their businesses together. Our goal is to impact the woman, the family, the community, and the world by bringing resources like we just did, education like I'm just doing, and opportunity. And I'm giving you an opportunity as well, and businesses that will make a difference in the lives of many. So please do me a favor. Check us out. Go to WomenEmergeNetwork.com, WomenEmergeNetwork.com. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook at Melissa, that's MELLISA, S. Lambert, and Women Emerge Network, Women Emerge Wellness on IG. You can still find me at Melissa S. Lambert on IG, also at Women Emerge Now. And go ahead, go to Coach Melissa, that's Coach, then MELLISA, and book a session. Book a session with me. Book a session so you can kind of figure out where you are. Are you protected? Are you protected? Is your family protected? We just talked about the power of having life insurance. The first, I gave you a total of 5 different reasons why life insurance is such a powerful thing to have. Financial security for dependent, debt repayment, income replacement. Your business need to be protected. Estate planning and taxes. Those are the 5. And then I told you about the importance of life insurance. I gave you 3. Peace of mind, long-term financial planning, and the last, support during critical illness. And the last I talked about is consequences of not having life insurance. Financial strain on your family, debt burden, right? Business risk. And last but not least, missing opportunity for tax benefit. So thank you again for tuning in. You are truly a blessing to your family. Be a blessing by protecting your family while they're alive, but also while you are gone on the other side. Till next time, I want you to take care. I want you to take charge. And remember, life insurance is important. Protect your family when you are alive, but also when God decides to take you home, you want to make sure they're also protected. I look forward to helping you protect your family, protect your assets, and protect your future. Until next time, take care, take charge, and be great. Bye for now.
Thank you for listening to Women Emerge with Melissa Lambert, where Melissa speaks with leaders, experts, and motivators who share their journeys and their stories through personal and professional growth, knowledgeable tips, and lessons learned that will empower you to grow. Follow Melissa and Women Emerge Network on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at MELLISASLAMBERT and at Women Emerge Network. And visit www.womenemergenetwork.com. Remember, when you know better, you can do better, especially when God is for you.